always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Take a look. Can you tell what it is?
It's you!
That's right. I painted a self-portrait.
Wow, it looks just like you.
Thank you.
Did you mix the pink yourself?
Yes, wanna see how?
Yes, please.
Okay, first start with some white. Then get a little bit of red and mix it in.
Look, it's turning pink.
Yeah, you mixed white and red and made pink. What are you going to call your color?
I know. I'm going to call it Pig Pink.
That's a great name.
Mr. Goose, I made pink. Can we make that the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting Pink. Which poodle is pink? There it is. Pink poodle. Which dress is pink? There it is. Pink dress. Which umbrella is pink? There it is. Pink umbrella. Which yarn is pink? There it is. Pink yarn. Sensational!
I'm crunching leaves, but only pink leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is! We did it! Yay! See you!
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life.
The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color pink.
Pink is here and there, I see it everywhere. Pink is all around, in the sky and on the ground.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Achoo. How loud is an elephant's sneeze? Let's read and find out. Let's begin. Achoo! Written by Deepa Balsavar, illustrated by Nancy Raj. Achoo! Went Monkey. She had a terrible cold. That was loud. I almost fell off the tree, said Cuckoo, poking his head through the leaves. Really? Asked Monkey. If this is loud, how loud do you think an elephant sneeze would be? I can only guess, said Cuckoo. Maybe as loud as this. Achoo! That's not loud enough, said Porcupine. An elephant sneeze is much louder than that. Achoo! He blew out his little cheeks and his pointy nose quivered. Grunt, grunt, said Wild Boar. That's not loud enough. An elephant sneeze must be huge. And taking a deep breath, she went, Achoo! Grunt, grunt. What's all this noise? Asked Deer. Do you know how loud an elephant sneeze is? Asked Monkey. I always sneeze politely, said Deer with a sniff. But an elephant must have a huge, disgusting sneeze like this. Achoo! Achoo! Excuse me. Achoo! All the animals jumped. Wild Buffalo joined the group. That's an elephant sneeze, he said proudly. Deer, Wild Boar, Porcupine, Cuckoo, and Monkey looked at him with admiration. Not bad, but not quite, purred a low voice. Wild Buffalo's nose quivered. Tiger leaped out from behind the bushes. She threw her head back, opened her mouth wide, and gave the loudest sneeze you could ever imagine. She went, Achoo! Elephant walked into the clearing. Pardon me, he said to Tiger. Do you have a cold too? I have one, and I am going to sneeze. What? Roared Tiger. What? Bellowed Wild Buffalo. What? Barked Deer. What? Grunted Wild Boar. What? Squealed Porcupine. What? Sang Cuckoo. Oh, wow, thought Monkey. Went Elephant. The whole forest waited. Here it comes, thought Monkey. Ah, that felt good, said Elephant. Nothing like a good sneeze to clear out the trunk. Then he looked around and wondered, where have all the others gone? Cuckoo began to laugh. Now do you know how big an elephant's sneeze is? He asked Monkey. Yes, said Monkey, but not another question, wailed Cuckoo and flew hurriedly away. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog! Why are we meeting at the farm?
That's a good question. Today's song is called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Now, who remembers what this is called?
A banjo!
That's right! I'll sing first, and then you can join in. Here we go! Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now then, Fox, how about you pick the next animal? Everybody sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, Hedgehog, you choose the next animal.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here, baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, Pig, ready to choose an animal?
Yeah!
Great! Let's all sing!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on his farm he had a horse.
E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Baba here, baba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Cluck cluck here, cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Mr. Frog, I know another animal on the farm.
What's that?
Me! A monkey!
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
I!
What's this letter?
J!
What's this letter?
L!
What's this letter?
T!
Now let's do it fast.
I! J! L! T! J! I! T! L! I! T! J! L! I! J! L! T!
work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game when you see a letter.
You say its name! The letter T! Oh, hi! Let's play together and monkey around. Whoa! Goodbye, friend. I'm glad we got to play together today. Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.